Hey guys, this is my first video in English, so I will do the best I can. I will share with you 3 recipes for almond butter energy balls, so let's go and check the first one. This is pretty simple. All we need to do is add all the ingredients into a food processor or blender, except for the chocolate chips because we are going to add them at the end, and blend them all. I blended until all ingredients are well combined, but not that much so I can still feel the texture of the almonds. And this is what we have. The mixture should come together easily. Now we're gonna pour the mixture into a bowl and add the chocolate chips. It will be a little hard for the chocolate to stick to the dough, but once we roll it into bites, it will be much easier. As you can see, this mixture is a little sticky, so I decided to cover them with cacao powder so the balls don't stick together. And also, the bitter of the cacao powder makes an extraordinary match with this recipe. And we are ready to go and check the second recipe. Here, we are going to do the same. We are going to pour all the ingredients into the food processor. Blend until all the ingredients are well combined, and next we are going to make our balls. So this recipe is not as sticky as the first one, so you can leave it just like that, roll them into balls and leave it like that, or roll them into more unsweetened shredded coconut, as I'm going to show you right now. And ready, let's go to check the last one. And again, we are pouring all the ingredients into the food processor. The dark cacao powder, which I used in this recipe, gives it like an Oreo cookie flavor that I'm sure you're gonna love it. And let's go to make our bites. energy balls don't need any topping. They are delicious just how they are. So that's it guys, 3 delicious ways of using almond butter in our energy balls. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.